Have you ever wondered how long your DNA would be if stretched out? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? The hidden blueprint of life, coiled and packed into every cell of your body, is a marvel of natural design and engineering. Imagine, if you will, a human cell. Smaller than the period at the end of this sentence, yet it contains a staggering 2 meters of DNA. That's about the height of a professional basketball player, all coiled and folded into a space smaller than a grain of sand. By design, DNA is a double helix, a twisted ladder, if you will, with around 3 billion steps, or base pairs. Each of these base pairs is a combination of 4 chemical bases, abbreviated as A, T, C, and G. When these base pairs are linked together, they form the human genome, the entirety of your genetic information, packed into 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell nucleus. Now, consider this. There are about 37.2 trillion cells in the human body. If you were to take the DNA from each of these cells and lay them end to end, the length would be astronomical. Indeed, the combined length of the DNA in your body would be enough to stretch from here to the sun and back, not just once, but a surprising 70 times. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? That such unfathomable lengths are folded and compressed into microscopic cells, invisible to the naked eye. To summarize, the DNA in just one cell, when stretched out, reaches 2 meters. Multiply this by the estimated 37.2 trillion cells in the human body, and you get a length that can reach the sun and back 70 times. And that, dear listener, is the marvel of the human body, the unseen cosmos within us, a testament to the intricate and amazing design of life. A journey of 2 meters to 150 million kilometers, all within us. Remember, you carry the universe within you, in the form of billions of base pairs coiled into the tiniest of cells. Isn't that something to marvel at?